doing? Where's Baba? Where's Baba? Where's Baba? Hey, look what I got. Wanna put him on? Wanna put him on? Let me put him on. Here we go. Where's Baba? Where's your Baba at? Where's Baba? Is Baba at work? Where's your Baba? Huh? Where's Daddy? Is there something tasty on those lips? Huh? Careful with that. Why don't you get hurt on it? Oh! Why is it this? Huh? No, number 2. Oh, you're so... Jawad, what are you doing? You can't stand up. You're like stuck there. You're stuck there. Oh, come closer to mommy. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, bless you. Ugh. I love when you do that. I love when you do that. Bless you. Can you lick your lips? Yeah. Ew. Get that out of your mouth. Ew. Get that out of your mouth. That's yucky. Ewy. See? You can make yourself gag. Silly butt. Can you do the lip thing that Daddy always does? Go. Do it like Daddy. Arr. Where's your daddy? Where's Daddy? Is Daddy at work? I know somebody that you like talking to. Stop, you're gagging yourself. Where's Aunt Cassandra? Where's Aunt Cassandra? You want me to call her? Want me to call Aunt Cassandra? Is Aunt Cassandra at Grandpa's house? Is Aunt Cassandra at Grandpa's house? Mommy gonna call Aunt Cassandra. You give Aunt Cassandra a message. See, where have you been, woman? Say, Why don't you answer your phone? Get that up your eye. Get that out of your mouth. Yucky. That gross. No, they didn't answer. Oh. Say, why didn't you answer your phone? Say, why didn't you answer your phone? Get your hand out of your mouth. That's yucky. Where's Aunt Jenny? Has Aunt Jenny called you today? Get your hand out of your mouth. Where's Aunt Jenny? Is your hand that delicious? Huh? Where's Aunt Jenny? Can I have some finger? Huh? Can mommy have some? You're gonna make yourself gag. Yep, sure are. Yeah. You're gonna start making yourself gag. Mommy smells burnt wood. Stinky. You smell it? Is mommy on the phone? Is mommy on the phone? You see the phone, huh? Dude, me and Joad's making a video for you. It's hilarious. A video for you. And we're going to put it on my YouTube, and I'm going to also put it on Dad's Facebook. But it's hilarious. I keep saying, where's Aunt Cassandra? And he goes, It's hilarious. Who am I talking to? No, I'm talking to Joad. I'm like, who am I talking to? Oh, and he gave you a little message. You'll see it in the video. No. Yeah. I was like, where's Aunt Cassandra? And up with the finger. No, he's been pretty boring today. Yeah. No, I've been trying to call and text her. She hasn't answered. Yeah. Joy. Yeah. Get your finger out of your mouth before you make yourself gag. Dude, earlier he stuck his finger in his mouth and made himself throw up. I was like, what are you trying to be anorexic now? Nothing. I cleaned the house and then we played a little bit and then we had to go get some diapers and more baby water. At Walmart. It's only $1 for a gallon. For the Gerber mixing water. Yeah. Dude, I love James's attitude. It makes me laugh. Calling him what? Fudge? Uh-huh. Dude, you have got to see this kid going to town on his finger. Like, it looks like he's eating it. Is it good? No. Well, he chewed on his little fabric book. Jawad, are you trying to get your whole hand in your mouth? Good thing you don't have teeth, or you'd have a bone. Here, get your hand out of your mouth. He's busy with that hand. Every time I pull it out, he pushes it back in. You want your binky? Oh, nice. Here. Here. You want this? You put it in your mouth yourself. That's your nose. Down. Oh, almost. You gotta turn it around. The one on Main Street. You almost got it. He's learning how to put stuff in his mouth by himself. Oh, that's your nose. Down. That. That's the one. Yeah. George, you gotta turn it around. He's like, here, you're going cross-eyed. Let me see it. Mommy will put it in your mouth. I haven't cooked dinner yet. Okay, you can do it yourself. Here. Do it yourself. Do it. Oh. Here. Yeah, tired of it? Dude, you should have heard him earlier. I was on YouTube and I was listening to some music because I was making CDs. And this song came on and it still was like really loud. And I was scared and he like screamed so freaking loud. And it's hilarious. Hold on.